into the new year. I wish you an abundance of love, happiness, success, growth, all of the good things life has to offer. I have been gone for a pretty long time now. 2018 was really a year of a lot of change. I would call it my wildest year ever. I feel like I really did dedicate a lot of time to working on myself, to really helping, you know, the process of finding myself, I guess you can say, and really finding my purpose. I went through a lot of things that I never imagined going through. Not to say that they're bad, it's just it really awakened my soul. You know, especially these last couple of months, I really worked on myself. I got into the law of attraction. All of this is really to say thank you so much for sticking by me for all of these years. Some of you have been with me since my red hair days. Some of you have been with me even longer than that. You know, my toilet paper tripod days. I use books now. And some of you guys just discovered me and you are hardcore supporters. And I thank you. There's going to be a lot of changes coming to my channel. I really want to expand myself into different, I was about to say categories, but just I want to really bring back the casualness, you being able to relate to me a little bit more as a person. I feel like I focused a lot on the technicalities of this channel, and I totally, completely neglected the content itself. Not to say that I wasn't myself, because this is literally what you get. But hopefully you understand what I'm talking about. You know, when everything is just way too professional, it looks very, not commercial-like. But you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I want to be your best friend again. So I'll be bringing you different videos of real life experiences. Like, I know a lot of you resonated with me on the endoscopy video, on the laser hair removal video, like way before it was about my red hair, how I dyed it, you know, it was about school, stuff that I've been through and wanted to share with you. So, yes. So once again, thank you so much for an incredible year full of your support. 2019 will be the year for my channel and will also be your year, because I'm here for you if you ever need anything, and you will have the best year yet. Do you accept my blessings? But alrighty, my loves, let's go ahead and get started and see how to create this beautiful, colorful, which I haven't done in a long time, this green cut crease look right now. I don't know what that was. This is really squeaky. Let's get started. A common question I've been receiving lately is what eye base I use, if I use any, and I'll always recommend Decay's primer potion over really any other type of base. It blends easily and definitely helps with longevity, and in my opinion, enhances the eyeshadow pigmentation, which is really important. So just make sure that whatever base you decide to use, always set it with powder. It can be translucent, it can be an eyeshadow similar to your skin tone. Just remember to set it. The list of all the products I use will be in the description box down below, so please go ahead and check that out. I picked up this green cutie here and first used the lightest shade, a light mint color, and with a fluffy blending brush. This is, I believe, from Crown Brushes. I sweep this color all over my crease using windshield wiper motions. This is a transition shade, so don't be afraid to extend it out as far as possible. This just makes blending the darkest colors easier. Future you will thank you. Next, I'm taking this medium teal green matte eyeshadow and applying it all over the previous shade, starting at the outer corner, making my way towards the inner corner. And while this eyeshadow itself is very opaque, which is lovely by the way, it takes a couple of dips to achieve this bright pigmented shade you see. Whenever you are double dipping or maybe even triple dipping, make sure to double tap that brush before applying to avoid fallout. We don't want any green cheeks, am I right? Or am I right? Now with the smaller brush, this is a mini tapered brush, I'm taking this dark forest green pearl shade, very creamy, so a little does go a long way. I'm creating the shape of the outer corner with this eyeshadow, focusing the pigment on the outer corner and brushing in a sideways V shape. If you want this look a bit more oval, a bit more circular, then simply brush in a curve back and forth. I'm using the same eyeshadow again and applying this on my crease and blending the color towards the inner corner. To further diffuse or achieve a smoky eye, I go back to that mint eyeshadow color, and with a big fluffy blending brush, I blend away any harsh edges. When it comes to cutting the crease with concealer, the type of concealer is crucial. You want to reach for a concealer that is opaque and dries relatively quickly. If there's a product I like to splurge on, it's concealer. NARS, Kevyn Aucoin, Too Faced, Born This Way are great options if you like creating cut crease eye looks. Anyway, start applying this a little teeny bit above your natural crease, and if you don't have a crease, create one not too far out because you still need room for the other the other crease, or I guess, well yeah, for lack of a better word, the other crease, or the fake crease. Once you have the desired shape of your cut crease, clean it up by blending it either with your brush or your finger. Just make sure, if anything, you are blending down and outward. It was really hard to show it considering I was really fidgety this day, but this is how I clean up the crease. And of course, what do I always say about creamy products? Set them, girls, set them. I'm lightly patting translucent powder on my lid and along the crease. Next, I'm taking this light green metallic eyeshadow and with a flat brush applying this all over the remaining space on the lid, staying below the crease. I couldn't start the year without some glitter, I just couldn't, and this glitter is perfect for the look because it mostly reflects green, so I thought it would, match very nicely. So because I want a sprinkled glitter effect, I don't want an opaque glittery look, so I simply spray setting spray on my brush and then dip that brush in the glitter. For the second crease, I'm using a smaller and pointy brush. This is really just me experimenting with a new brush I discovered I had. I was like, oh dang girl, this looks nice, let me use it. Literally my train of thought right there. But of course you can use the same flat brush again. I'm creating the second crease just above the first one, leaving enough space for the green to peek through. And then again, of course, blending it with my finger and setting it with translucent powder. I can't forget my falsies. These are my classic favorites, not too dramatic and full. If you need help with those pesky lashes, I'm quoting y'all, not me. I do have a tutorial, so be sure to check that out. Add some black eyeliner to your waterline and finish off the look with your favorite mascara. I'm adding a pop of luminosity to this look by adding this light glittery green eyeshadow near my tear duct. And voila! The look is complete. I really hope you loved this first makeup look of the year. Get out of your comfort zone and rock those greens. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and be sure to check out the other videos I do have for you. Thank you guys so much. I love you so dearly, and cheers to a happy new year with me. Mwah.